Oh, now we're going. Hi, this is Sara. Hi, Sara. Where are you going? Hi. Oh, look at Sara. Sara is beautiful. How old is Sara?
She's 9 weeks.
Sara is 9 weeks old, and she came to visit us. Wait, I gotta get a better picture. Yeah, she's a real tail wagger. Here she goes. Well, she's a fast little one.
She sure is.
Yeah. What's Sara's last name?
Leach.
Sara Beach.
Leach.
Leach.
L-E-A-C-H.
Oh, Sara Leach.
Hey, gorgeous.
There's Sara Leach. She came to
like-
visit
Like this
Nature's
Smell-O-Rama.
Pet Market in Kirkland. Hi, Sara.
You're in a nice spot down here, aren't you?
Yeah.
This area, yeah.
Sara, turn around. Sara.
Sara.
Sara, turn around so we can get some good photos of you and your beautiful face.
Shower.
Oh, look at that.
Tell you what.
Come here, Sara. Sara, come to me.
Are these real toenails?
Ooh. Yes. What a great shot.